You're going to love these chicken bacon rolls. They are packed with flavor and juicy, and family just love them. First, we're going to take a couple of big, boneless, skinless chicken breasts, and then we're going to cut them in half lengthwise. On the inner side that you cut, slice them down the middle and make a little pocket, making sure not to cut all the way through. Place a strip of cheese, your preference. I'm going to use Swiss. You could use some white cheddar. Just pack them in those pockets that you made in the chicken and put those aside. Next, we're going to take some strips of bacon and we're going to wrap it around the chicken widthwise. We're going to stick in a toothpick to make sure that keeps the bacon in place, making little round cups. Next, take a skillet, put in a few tablespoons of oil, get it nice and hot, and then we're going to get those little cups of chicken in there, face down, and we're going to brown the tops really nice. On the underside, let's season with some salt, pepper, a little paprika, and then we're going to flip and re-season. Once you got it flipped over right side out, poke little holes, open up those little holes on the top, put a tablespoon of cream cheese into each cup. Now we're going to move these to an oven-safe dish, and we're going to grate some Parmesan on top. A little more paprika and seasoning on top. Then we're going to pop them in the oven, 400 degrees, for approximately 25 minutes, since each oven is different. Or your thermometer reads 165 degrees and the juices are clear. Next, get them on a plate, use a fork to help remove the toothpicks, and voila, delicious dinner. If you like this, go check out my chicken griller video. Another extremely delicious dish that I think you will enjoy. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next Randy's Family Kitchen.